Hi, and welcome to this video. Now that you're comfortable with variables and functions, it's time to meet one of the most important data structures in R, and that is the data frame. The data frame is like a spreadsheet in code form, and it's where rows are observations and columns are variables. Okay, let's get to it and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, here we are in R. Now, what is a data frame again? A data frame is a table that's similar to Excel, but you can manipulate it using code. And it allows you to store text, numbers, and even more across multiple columns. So here, I'll show you how to build a basic data frame by combining two vectors. So here we have names and ages. Again, Command Enter on a Mac. We have the names there, Command Enter. Again, in the console, we see just the output, which is the same as the script. But then over here in the environment, we see the numbers and the three names. Now, this code here, the data.frame, tells us to combine the names with the ages. So we have the names here and the age equals ages. Now, what do you suppose would happen? Well, if we select Command Enter on a Mac, again, Control Enter on a Windows machine, now we see over here in the Environment tab, there's 3 observations and 2 variables. Pretty simple and basic, right? The observations, the names and the ages, the individual names and ages, and then the variables are these things that can fluctuate, the names and the ages as the variables. Now I just clicked on the data here in the Environment tab, and you can see that it creates this data sheet. Now, again, the variable is the column, the type of information. The observation is a row. So 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows. Think of it like Excel, where fields like age and name would be the column going downward. And you can see you can click to manipulate these in order, in which order you want them in, descending, ascending, but then also the observation is the row here. Now again, variables are the types of data you're collecting, like name, age, or score, and the observations are each individual record. So each row that describes one item or person. Now let's go back. Now if we want to print the data frame in the console and open it in a spreadsheet view, we could just type people and then Command Enter. And here you can see in the console, it all pops up with the variables at the top again, the name and the age, and then the observations below. Or you can use view people because we've established the people here. Command Enter again, and then it will go to the spreadsheet. So you can actually click over here in the Environment tab to get there, or you can just give the script view people, Command Enter, and then it will open it up. And this will open the data in a spreadsheet style window. What if we want to explore the structure though? So let's go back. So str people, we want to check structure and summarize structure. Just Command Enter. Here we see down in the console, there's 3 observations, again, 2 variables. They're all there. Or if we want to see a summary of the data, here, the summary code down in the console loads it right here. You see that this gives you stats. So this is important because as you go further in R, you'll be able to use these functions, but with many more observations or variables. But it's good to know that this gives you the stats like the minimum, the maximum, and the mean for those numeric columns. So you can summarize the people here and see it even has the first quartile range, third quartile range, etc. So you've done some basic stats here, but now at a small scale, we can do more things like we can import a CSV file. So let's pretend you're importing a real data set from your computer. We would use this code, library reader, to load the reader package, and this comes with tidyverse. If you've already installed tidyverse once, you just need to load it in subsequent times that you want to use it. So I'll select Command Enter. It's loaded. Down here you can see. And then my data, so read CSV. Okay, now you know how to create and view a data frame. You can explore its structure, and you can begin working with tabular data in R. Now in our next lesson, we'll introduce our dplyr package and start manipulating data frames like a pro. Okay, we'll see you then.